Who was Imam Asy-Syafie? Imam Muhammad ibn Idris Asy-Syafie, also known as Imam Asy-Syafie, is one of the four well-known Imams in Islamic jurisprudence. He was an Islamic scholar, jurist, and theologian, born in the year 767 in Gaza, Palestine. He lived during the Abbasid period, a period where knowledge was beginning to spread across the globe. He was from the lineage of the Prophet ﷺ, from the tribe of Banu Hashim and Banu Muttalib. His dad passed away when he was little, so he grew up mostly under the guidance of his mother. At the age of 10, his mother brought him to Mecca, where they would live for about 4 years. They lived a poor life to the point that he had to collect little pebbles, palm trees, camel bones just to find something to write on. At times, he even had to beg for paper. He was not only someone who was an expert in Islamic law, but he was skilled in linguistics as well. The Arab poets at that point of time used him as a reference for poetry because of how eloquent he was. He would memorize lines of poetry, and he would even correct old poems from the tribe. On top of that, he was an expert in horse riding and archery to the point that he could hit the bullseye 10 times in a row. Imam Asy-Syafie studied with many teachers across the globe, one of the prominent ones being Imam Malik ibn Anas, the Imam of Medina. He was known to have memorized the entire hadith collection written by Imam Malik, known as the Muwatta, long before actually meeting him. During his life, he traveled to places like Medina, Yemen, Kufa, Basra, Baghdad, and Egypt to attain knowledge. When he was in Baghdad, he wrote his famous work Ar-Risala, and later when he was in Egypt, he wrote his work Al-Umm. These two works are major references in the science of principles of jurisprudence, also known as Usul al-Fiqh, and they are studied and referenced till today. From amongst his famous sayings are, knowledge is that which benefits, not that which is memorized. His works continue to shape the practice of Islam and guide Muslims in matters of law and spirituality till today.